Hey everyone, Leroy here from Intune Instruments Dubai, UAE. A quick question to you. Are your pickup heights too close to your strings? If they are, then chances are that you could be potentially facing tuning instability issues. Let me explain why. The force of these magnets has the power to pull these strings out of tune. Therefore, if you frequently reach out for the tuners to get it tuned, the chances are that the problem may not be with your nut or your saddle. It could also be with your tuners being too close to the strings. So therefore, please follow manufacturer's recommendations on the pickup heights. A simple way is to press down at the last fret and check the height from the bottom of the string to the top of each pickup, and that will give you the height. Generally, a recommendation could be anywhere between 3 mm to 3.5 mm, and if you go below 3 mm, potential could be that you may be in the danger zone. Another good indicator could be if you kind of tune your strings and on a chromatic tuner, if you have your strings seated well at the saddle as well as at the nut. And if you find the indicator on your chromatic tuner moving very abruptly like this, chances are that the force of the pickup may be interfering with the string, and then you could be facing a potential tuning issue with your guitar.